It's a very important topic in today's world. Obviously, AI has become the new big buzzword since, OpenAI invented ChatGPT, and it's become pretty ubiquitous in terms of where it's used in our work.
You need to find out, whether you're trying to be just a consumer of AI, which is majority of us, or you want to be a builder of AI, where you want to really build things, where you want to get your hands dirty. If that's the case, as Sharmila was mentioning, you would be focusing on coming in as an ML engineer, because there is a fine line between whether you want to be a AML engineer or you want to be a data scientist.
See, I think here's the thing, right? I think no better time. I call it the pivotal moment. I truly believe that AI today is at a pivotal moment. And it's not about Gen AI or the hype around it. Yes, absolutely. I think there is validity to why there is a hype around this as well. There is always going to be some amount of fluff around it, but there is genuinely, it's surprising every time I go to a conference and talk about the value. The value is not in millions, billions, it's in trillions. The economic contribution is in trillions, right? It's growing rapidly. Companies are investing in this at a CAGR which is double digit, right? It's growing so rapidly across. There is going to be adoption across enterprises.
If we go to the traditional ML problem, right? So you need not have the knowledge on the entire suite, right? So you could have had experience in the NLP space, but not on the computer vision space. You could have experience in working with images, but not with videos, or even typical classification regression sort of problems, right? So it's always good to have a knowledge of the entire breadth, but go deep in one or two segments of it. So that is what is expected for ML engineers.